Upgrading to impact doors is one of the smartest decisions you can make. These specially engineered doors provide a powerful combination of safety, energy efficiency, and long-term value, benefits that every homeowner in the region can appreciate. Whether you're preparing for severe weather, enhancing your property's appearance, or simply investing in peace of mind, impact doors are a worthwhile addition to any home. Protection against severe weather. Laurel may not be on the front lines of hurricane season like coastal regions, but it's still vulnerable to severe weather, including strong thunderstorms and occasional high winds. Impact doors are built to withstand extreme conditions. They are constructed with heavy-duty frames and laminated glass that resists shattering upon impact. This means that during a storm, your doors are less likely to give way under pressure or send dangerous shards flying into your home. For families concerned about safety, this is a game changer. When combined with other impact-rated features like windows, these doors help form a robust barrier that keeps your home secure from wind, rain, and flying debris. Enhanced home security. Beyond weather protection, impact doors offer superior defense against intruders. The same reinforced glass that can stand up to a hurricane also makes it incredibly difficult for burglars to break in. In Laurel, where residential safety is a top priority for many homeowners, having an added layer of security is not just practical, it's essential. Many impact door systems are also designed with multi-point locking mechanisms, making forced entry significantly more difficult. This deters would-be thieves and adds another layer of protection for your family and valuables. Increased energy efficiency. Energy costs in Laurel can fluctuate throughout the year, particularly during extreme summer and winter months. Impact doors help improve your home's energy efficiency by providing a tighter seal against the elements. This prevents drafts, reduces air leakage, and helps your HVAC system operate more effectively. Over time, this can translate into noticeable savings on your energy bills. Additionally, the improved insulation can make your home more comfortable year-round, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures no matter what's happening outside. Noise reduction. If you live near a busy road or a lively neighborhood in Laurel, noise can be a daily nuisance. Impact doors significantly reduce outside noise thanks to their thick, laminated glass and solid construction. This means you'll enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment, perfect for working from home, relaxing, or spending time with family. Boosted home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to impact doors can also enhance your home's market value and aesthetic appeal. These doors come in a variety of styles, finishes, and colors that complement both modern and traditional architecture. Prospective buyers often view them as a premium feature, especially when considering the home's security and energy performance. For homeowners planning to sell in the future, impact doors are a smart investment that can help your property stand out in the competitive Laurel real estate market. Potential insurance discount. Insurance providers often reward proactive safety measures. Many companies offer reduced premiums for homes equipped with impact-resistant doors and windows because they lower the risk of storm-related claims. These discounts can offset some of the upfront installation costs and provide additional savings over time. Final thought. In Laurel, where residents value comfort, safety, and home performance, upgrading to impact doors is more than a luxury. It's a wise, long-term investment. From shielding your home against the elements to increasing its value and curb appeal, the benefits are substantial. Whether you're renovating your property or building a new home, consider impact doors as a key part of your home improvement strategy. With the right installation by a certified professional, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is more secure, energy efficient,